Welcome to Mastering Arista Next Generation Firewall, a comprehensive course designed to help IT professionals, network administrators, and cybersecurity enthusiasts harness the full potential of one of the most reliable and trustworthy open source next generation firewall on the market. Having personally used this since 2007, I have experienced the firsthand its evolution from Untangle to Arista NG Firewall. Over the years, it has proven to be a robust, adaptable, and user-friendly solution for securing networks of all the sizes. Now, I'm excited to share my knowledge, skills, and extensive real-world experience with you through this course. Join me on this journey to simplify network security, enhance your IT skills, and become Arista NG Firewall expert.